Hello, students. Let's start with something fascinating. Every day, you inhale thousands of dust particles, touch surfaces full of microbes, and eat food that could carry invisible organisms. Yet, you don't fall sick every single time. Why? That's because your body has its very own defense army called immunity. Immunity is the ability of your body to resist infections and keep you safe. Think about it like this. When a cut on your skin heals quickly without turning into a dangerous infection, that's your immune system hard at work. Broadly, immunity is of two types: innate immunity, which is present from birth, and acquired immunity, which develops after encountering specific pathogens. Now, let's talk about the first line of protection, innate immunity. This type of immunity is non-specific, meaning it guards against all invaders, not just one. Your skin itself is the greatest shield, blocking harmful microbes from entering. The mucus lining in your nose, respiratory tract, and digestive tract acts like sticky glue, trapping pathogens before they can spread. Then there are physiological barriers, the acid in your stomach that kills germs, saliva in your mouth, and even tears in your eyes that wash away microbes. At the cellular level, white blood cells like neutrophils, monocytes, macrophages, and natural killer cells patrol your bloodstream like soldiers, engulfing invaders. And here's the amazing part: even virus-infected cells release special proteins called interferons, which warn nearby cells and block further viral spread. But innate immunity isn't enough. The real brilliance of our defense system lies in acquired immunity, a specific and memory-based shield. When your body encounters a pathogen for the first time, it mounts a primary response. It's slow and weak because the body is learning to recognize the invader. But here's the magic: the next time the same pathogen attacks, your body responds with lightning speed and intensity. This is called the secondary response or anamnestic response. This memory is possible because of two powerful lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, which produce antibodies that bind to and neutralize pathogens, and T lymphocytes, which regulate responses and kill infected cells. Look closely at this diagram of an antibody. Notice the Y-shaped structure with light chains, heavy chains, and the antigen binding sites at the tips. That's how antibodies recognize and lock onto invaders with precision. Acquired immunity can be of two types, active and passive. Active immunity happens when your body makes its own antibodies, either after natural infection or through vaccination. It takes time to build but lasts for a long time. Example: immunity after polio vaccination. Passive immunity, on the other hand, is like borrowing someone else's shield. Ready-made antibodies are directly given. For example, the mother's milk contains IgA antibodies that protect infants, or the injection of antivenom after a snake bite. Isn't it amazing? A newborn baby gets protection not from its own immune system but from its mother's. Now, let's go a step further. Vaccination is one of the greatest achievements of science. By injecting killed or weakened microbes, we teach the immune system to remember them without actually causing the disease. That's why vaccines like BCG, DPT, and hepatitis B are life-saving. But the immune system can sometimes misfire. In allergies, harmless substances like pollen or dust trigger exaggerated responses. Symptoms like sneezing, watery eyes, and asthma are caused by chemicals like histamine released in the body. Even more puzzling are autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells. In conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, the body's soldiers turn against their own tissues. And behind all this defense, there's an entire network of lymphoid organs, bone marrow producing lymphocytes, thymus training them, lymph nodes filtering microbes, and spleen storing immune cells. Together, they make sure your defense army never sleeps. So, let's quickly recap, students. Your body protects itself with innate immunity, the non-specific barriers you're born with, and acquired immunity, the memory-based defense that gets stronger with every exposure. Acquired immunity is made possible by antibodies, B lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes. It can be active when your own body builds antibodies or passive when you receive them ready-made. We also learned how vaccines harness memory, how allergies are exaggerated responses, and how autoimmune disorders arise when the body confuses self with non-self. Isn't it incredible that right now, without you even noticing, millions of immune cells are patrolling your body, identifying, remembering, and neutralizing invaders? Truly, the immune system is nature's masterpiece of defense. I hope this session gave you a deeper appreciation of your body's defense army. See you in the next session where we'll explore how one particular virus, HIV, can break down this very system and lead to AIDS.